equal opportunities to all, bridging the gap between big and small. Massive. Own passive. In it to win it.
I have been with OnPassive since its inception. I am proud to be a part of an organization which has seen remarkable growth in a short time. And we are here to make a difference.
People driven by passion to transform businesses as a mission. With innovation in AI technology, bringing you today tomorrow's technology. We believe today decides tomorrow. Every business, whether big or small, need AI today.
We have a fully functional facility of 72,000 SFT with 2 floors for parking located right at the center of city's IIT hub.
With a workforce seating capacity of over 1,000 employees, we ensure that facility teams have a safe and comfortable work environment. From strategy to designing, implementation and management, we are here to accelerate innovation and transform businesses. Especially small and medium enterprises are the ones that will be profited from our solutions by empowering them with modern technology to avert any competition from large global corporations.
We at OnPassive believe innovation is the key to success and motivate our teams to drive excellence.
OnPassive is the only total internet solution company with complete AI-driven applications and tools. One of the first ever robust smart business solution, a one-stop solution for all your innovative and technological necessities.
OnPassive believes in uplifting humanity and turning business ideas into reality. The founder and the CEO, Mr. Ash Mufareh, has been an inspiration to all of us. With his constant mentorship, we have been able to build a passionate team which would drive us towards success.
Our culture is a unique blend of values and skills that thrives on integrity and commitment to stand out as a champion in the industry. We nurture respect for individuals and freedom of thought to drive that extra mile to be a league of our own.
OnPassive gives me the opportunity to accentuate the vision of the product and transform it into the reality. As a product owner, I am involved in defining the vision of the product from the development stage to the deployment stage. We here understand the stakeholders' need and prioritize action accordingly.
Every business needs artificial intelligence, unleashing the power of AI with tens of products to suit all business needs. Our wide range of AI-based products and solutions aim to transform global enterprises digitally.
My goal as a marketing head is to spread the OnPassive brand to reach people who love technology, to connect and capture the mindspace of tech entrepreneurs spread across the world. It is a great opportunity as well as a challenge for the team to chalk out strategies and to activate marketing campaigns for a series of software products pertaining to diverse business verticals. And the team is ready to accept the challenge.
The true essence of customer service is to provide world-class service, which is important in today's world. To win that is possible with simple but the best digital experience. Our passion is to get more engagement, to drive more people towards us. We focus on less operational processing and transform the business into a productive environment. We believe that customer experience is an important factor that truly needs to be a cross-functional system which can tackle any feedback given by the customers.
As a delivery head, I am responsible for initiating the sprint planning,
for every product by taking inputs from technical and solution heads. Each product implementation has multiple sprint iterations. I oversee the entire process from inception to the product implementation and give respect to estimation.
A top talent pool of OnPassive brims with years of technical experience and expertise.
Kickstarting my journey with OnPassive as an infrastructure manager is the best decision in my life. With 14 years of experience in networking and communication, I hope to make a business operation more interconnected and efficient.
Our contributions can stand against the dynamic technological progressions of the current times. New incremental updates are moved to the cloud, which helps you to get the most advanced and sophisticated technology to operate your enterprise.
OnPassive as an organization appreciates its employees for their hard work and makes sure that they have a great time while they're at work. I believe OnPassive has a wonderful approach towards its employees and their well-being.
Our AI technology services are easy to use, adapt and scale, making our clients successful in a fully connected world.
The goal of OnPassive is to make a one-stop solution for all internet users. With OnPassive, everything that you can imagine is possible. We will make it happen and we will see you at the very top.
We help our clients to build stronger customer relationships, drive sales, identify new opportunities, and analyze marketing results to enhance their business. OnPassive, in it to win it.